So in this video, I'm taking a look at an indicator called the ADX, short for Average Directional Index. And you can see I have it on the bottom of the chart here, the silver daily chart. And I have a couple different levels marked. I have 20 and 60 marked. Sometimes you'll see 20 and 80, whatever. At the end of the day, it really just shows extreme levels. So there are three lines. There is a dashed line in one color, dashed line in another, and that measures the strength of upward and downward motion. But most traders just use the actual ADX line for trading purposes, and for simplicity's sake, that's what I'm going to focus on in this video, because quite frankly, these lines aren't necessarily trade signals in and of themselves, and just shows how the strength of one direction is over another. So the ADX measures the actual strength of a trend. The higher the strength on this chart, the stronger the trend. And it doesn't matter which direction. So this could have just as easily happened in a downtrend. It would have shown significant strength in the negativity. But you'll notice that the market in this area here consolidating, there wasn't a lot of strength on the ADX. But here in early April in the silver market, we shot straight up. You can see that the ADX really started to climb and peaked right about the same time the market did. We turned back around and started falling precipitously as we drifted lower in the price action. This strong fall would have given you a heads up that perhaps the trend was starting to run out of steam. And as you can see, we did pull back rather significantly later. Now, you can also see that we had an impulsive day basically and then did nothing. So there really wasn't a whole lot going on at that point. We have seen an impulsive move here, and now we're starting to see it turn higher. It's a little early to suggest that the trend is extraordinarily strong, but it's certainly starting to show signs as it's made a higher high on the ADX. But the most important example on this chart for me is when it started to turn negative. If you were using the ADX, you would have been warned to get out of this trade and take profits.